everyone, Assalamualaikum. So today I will tell you about myself. Let's start. My name is Tahmin Turzo. I am 7 years old. I read in grade 1 and my school name is Benchmark International School. I love my school very much. It is the best school of the town. My father's name is Isam Saiful Hassan and my mother's name is Tania Ahmed. My father is a HR manager and my mother is a homemaker. I have one elder sister named Tabassum Tasneem. She is 10 years old. She is the elder than me. She takes great care of me. I love my sister very much. She loves me too. My favorite fruit is mango and jackfruit. My favorite vegetable is cucumber and carrot. My favorite fruit is donut burger. And my favorite sport is cricket and chess. I like to reading storybooks. And my favorite storybook is Aesop Fables. My best friend name is Jihadul Farooq Jihad. In my free time, I watch animation movie. My favorite movies are Jungle Book, Simba the Lion King, Mufasa the Lion King, Duma. I like the most the Simba the Lion King because Simba is very brave lion and he reclaims his father Mufasa's kingdom from Scar. That is why I like the Simba the Lion King most. And my favorite animals are dinosaurs. I like the most 6 dinosaurs. Number 1 is Tyrannosaurus Rex. Number 2 Indominus Rex. Number 3 Spinosaurus. Number 4 Tyrannosaurus. And number 5 is T-Rex. Number 6 is the Mosasaurus. I like the most Tyrannosaurus Rex because its jaw is very sharp and its teeth is so strong. That is why I like the Tyrannosaurus Rex more. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Bye bye.